I'm feeling good. This is the second press conference that we've done for the bill. I mean, I'm not going to lie, before you public speak, it's never the best feeling in the world, but then when you're up there, it's just fine. So I'm going with just fine. I started working for Lush back in 2005, this company that I've been totally obsessing over. The Charitable Giving program launched in 2007. It certainly sparked something in me. I started working part-time connecting the company to organizations that were here in California, and when a full-time role opened up on the team, I applied for it and I got it. Our charity pot partners, they are the on-the-ground advocates for all of the issues that we want to work on. Social compassion legislation is a great example of that because their entire mission is to bring legislation to the table that is creating a more compassionate environment for animals. It was their idea to bring this bill, SB1249, the California Cruelty-Free Cosmetics Act, to California. It's huge thanks to them for getting this movement started. The Charitable Giving team, I feel that we truly embody how Lush as a company walks the walk. We don't just say that we believe in these things. We don't just say that we think this is right without actually doing something about it.
Right, where are we off to today?
We are going to speak in support of SB1249. We are ready. Growing up, I was always surrounded by animals. I was always told by my mother that I was an incredibly stubborn child. I think it has served me well. When you know that something is right or wrong, you have to fight for it.
We have Hilary Pickles with us.
We are proof that a successful business can create innovative product and reach a global customer base without ever having used an animal-tested ingredient.
For people to actually stand up and make a change, policy has to change. You just have to stand up and say yes when everybody else is saying no to make that stop.
Thank you so much.